subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
ZTE has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Blade series in China called Blade 20 with a stylish textured rear panel. Talking about the specifications, the ZTE Blade 20 5G features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup at the top left corner in a squarish module including LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 16-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the ZTE Blade 20 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset coupled with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. The smartphone packs with single 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 with Mi Favor 10.5 skin on top, and it ships with 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that protects the device in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The ZTE Blade 20 5G has been priced in China at 1,499 Chinese yuan, and it will be available in jazzy grey and light blue mint color options. So what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade 20 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.